Assalamualaikum and hi guys. Just another working from home meeting and more meetings. So I thought I could use some exercise later on. Maybe cycling or jogging. Unfortunately today it is raining. I could not do that. But to my delight, I saw termite swarmers, or what the Malay call kelkatu. These guys come after the rain. And as soon as they come, there will be several birds flying into the area to feed on them. And this goes on for a few minutes, and then everything turns back to normal. It was fascinating to experience this. I thought I could share with you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.